Our thoughts and prayers to the family and friends, to those who've lost their lives and to those who are injured and in hospital. Do wish them quick recovery now. Deputy President Gachagua has reaffirmed his loyalty to President William Ruto and urged other leaders to lower political temperatures being witnessed in the country and prioritize service delivery to Kenyans. The DP was speaking in President Ruto's backyard of Kericho County, where he attended a fundraiser. Gachagua told residents there was no crisis in the ruling party UDA and asked leaders to stop and give such impressions to Kenya. Clement Masobo with our report.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has reaffirmed his support for President William Ruto, saying that they have much to achieve as a team elected on UDA ticket under the Kenya Kwanza coalition. The DP was speaking in Kericho County, where he attended a fundraiser at Peace and Mercy Church of Africa.
I now lead from the front in assisting the president to succeed. Once he has succeeded, those who may wish to succeed him can now start working on it once he has succeeded. But to me, that is a focus for now.
Gachagua also called on other leaders to stop 2032 succession politics, which he said is the main cause of trouble in the ruling party.
When people started bringing succession politics of 2032, inherited destruction. I want to ask our leaders, iyo maneno muachane nae.
Gachagua's remarks come at a time when there is a clear indication of a rift in the ruling coalition, with the revenue-sharing formula being the bone of contention. While Gachagua advocates for the one man, one vote, one shilling, a formula that has already received the backing of former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, his critics, including his boss, President William Ruto, and other senior leaders in the coalition, have opposed the formula, saying it is tribal and divisive. The DP has, however, called on politicians to drop the conversation about divisive politics in the country.
Tusianze kutengeneza milengo kwa serikali yetu. Mlengo huu. Those are things that ilitatiza serikali ilikuweko. We are barely 1.5 years in office. So what are we talking about?
Tuombe viongozi wetu Rais William Ruto na naibu wake Rigathi Gachagua, ndiposa kama kuna maneno yote ya upepo yote ambaye inataka kuleta maneno ambaye hatuelewani, tunasema ishindwe katika jina la nani?
Naibu wa rais, saa zingine tunasikia maneno kidogo kidogo. Na hii maneno labda watu wengine wanajaribu ati kukufanya ukosane na rais wetu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Reports had early indicated that President William Ruto had called for a crisis meeting with the National Executive Committee of the UDA party to address the growing rift in his administration. As the fault lines draw in the ruling party, the party's National Elections Board has announced suspension of grassroots elections in Nairobi County. The board, in a statement, said, and I quote, "This suspension is pursuant to an order issued on June 6, 2024 by the Political Parties Disputes and Tribunal halting the elections for Nairobi County," read part of the statement. The contentious Nairobi County elections pitting the Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja and Embakasi North MP James Gakuya was supposed to be held on Monday, June 10, 2024. Clement Masombo, KTN News, Nyeri County.
And President William Ruto has asked Nairobi County government to review its policy of allowing construction